everybody, welcome back. Today I'm super excited. We are making homemade hot chocolate mix. I grew up with this mix. I want to bring you along, share with you my recipe, and maybe it will become a staple in your household. I'll go through the ingredients as I'm mixing it in the bowl. Let's go ahead and get started making this. We have 6 ingredients in front of us. That is all we need for this hot chocolate recipe. We're going to start with 3.5 cups of powdered sugar. Seems like a lot, but this does make a large batch of hot chocolate mix. Next, we're going to add 3¼ cup of instant non-fat dry milk, 2 cups of instant chocolate drink powder, my favorite part, the chocolate, 1/2 cup of malted milk powder, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and 3/4 cups of non-dairy creamer. This is just regular creamer. You can get flavored if you prefer. I stick with the regular. I can always add other flavors as I make cups of the hot chocolate. Just gonna give this a stir. I wanna make sure all of the ingredients are well incorporated. Our hot chocolate mix is combined. Our last step of this recipe is to get it into containers. I personally like to use mason jars. I've got 2 of them here. We're gonna see how far these 2 get us. As I said, this does make a very large batch of hot chocolate, but if your family likes hot chocolate, or if you've got friends over playing in the snow, this is the perfect drink to come in and warm up with. I'm still waiting on our big snowstorm here in southeast Missouri. I'd love to get at least one so our little boy can go out there and experience the snow. We had a pretty good one last year, but he was still a little young. I'm not sure how much he remembers of that snow. So this year I think he would remember more. So I'm anxiously waiting for another snowstorm. Hopefully it's on the horizon. I think I can get this into 1 more quart jar. So I'm gonna go grab another quart mason jar and we'll fill it up with the rest of our mix. Always have more quart jars laying around for canning season. Speaking of that, I'm anxiously waiting to get our garden out this year. I've already got plans of what I want to plant and get out. I like winter time for the snow, but we haven't had snow, so now I'm ready for summer. Okay, there we have it. So we've got 2.5 quarts of our homemade hot chocolate mix. You will need to add 1/3 cup of your hot chocolate mix to a mug or 8 ounces of water. If you like it richer, I suggest using warmed milk. I typically just use hot water, but that is a personal preference. Now all we need are some marshmallows and prop the feet up by the fireplace. If you enjoyed this video, if you like to try this simple hot chocolate recipe, make sure to like it. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. We would love to have you stick around. And until next time, bye.